What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Walk
Walk
to
the
Freedom
Freedom
channel.
Challenge.
Okay, go ahead, finish.
Walk the Freedom Challenge. My dad is going to be talking about
My first loss on what stock did I trade? On
ZYNE.
ZYNE and when what? When to do what?
When to walk
When to
away.
walk away. That's right. Walk away from the market. Okay. That's so yeah. Man, that intro. This boy. Anyway, so we're gonna be talking about my first loss on this challenge. Straight pure 100% boredom trade, which should not be done. Boredom trade. So as we all know, there there's been a lack of volume in the market since last week or whatever. A lack of volume, no volume. Everything was just going to trash. So you can see right here, my account is still at 1371, and this is gonna minus that 51 bucks loss on ZYNE that I took on Friday. Um, CMEG, like in the last video, I said CMEG they took the platform fees out, which I wasn't expecting them to charge me for that month of March. So the account started out at like around 1170, somewhere around there. The challenge started. So you can see I got it back up to 1371 here, and took my first loss of 51 bucks. So this is gonna open up Monday, somewhere around 1320, somewhere around there. But no big deal. No big deal. We're gonna push. Hopefully next week will be better. So my first win on this challenge was Monday, was I believe was 174, and then Tuesday I had a 35 bucks win, and Wednesday I had a 32 bucks win. Thursday I did not trade because there was just nothing to trade. Everything was going short. Um, I could have tried to the ones that I was trying to short, CMEG just didn't have any type of borrows. I couldn't locate any shares, so I couldn't do a lot of shorting. I couldn't do a lot of short. Hey, can you stop that noise, boy? I couldn't do a lot of shorting in on on Chase. Can you stop the noise, please? Excuse me, guys. Okay, so not gonna do this video over. There was no shares to short for anything. CMEG just didn't have any type of shares whatsoever for me to do any type of shorting. So anybody who was like last week was a long bias trader. It was just a shitty market for them. Um, so ZYNE, just this popped up on the scanner, and this I had already missed this whole move here because I was watching something else, and just out of boredom was just nothing. Friday, there was just no trade, nothing at all, and I was about to shut it down, and this I turned my attention to ZYNE. By that time, I already missed this whole move here, and this little consolidation right here. I said, okay, well, I'm gonna I'm gonna take I'm gonna go for this little move right here over this high, right here. As soon as this candle break here, I'm gonna go in, and but it was trading so funny. It was just no volume nowhere. It's just little pop, little pullback, and there's nothing. So I jumped in here for this move here to break over this pullback here, and I actually was up in profit on this squeeze right here, and but I was actually looking for this to break over this high, and to get a move, and it just never happened. It's just there's no volume. It just never happened. It's just there's nothing. It's just going to garbage, and it pulls back. And by that time, I was in the negative, and my stop hit, and I came out. I was, it was just pure boredom trade. Just I didn't trade on Thursday and Friday. I'm like looking like, well, maybe I'll get a trade in today, but nothing, just nothing. So I took this trade right here. It was a good entry. It was a good entry, nice little pop. But I was looking for it to run, and it was just nothing. Came back down and I hit my stop and I got out. This is just a boredom trade. But but yeah, that's just a lesson learned. When there's nothing moving, you just let it go. Let it go, man. Just let it go. No trading. You don't have to trade every day. Every day doesn't have to be a day where you trade. But in my head, I'm thinking, well, it's a small account. I'm trying to get this up and get it moving. So I at least wanted to get one trade in, or just to get the account going, so I could cross over that $2,500 mark, and this will get a lot easier after that. But I learned my lesson from that. I took a boredom trade and ended up with a loss of 51 bucks. But a good discipline though. My stop was hit and I got right out as soon as my stop hit. So aside from that, and also sorry for the late video. Um, kind of was busy over the weekend, and so I didn't make a video, and I thought I'd do it today, but that's about it. Just you gotta know when to walk away from this thing here. If there is nothing, just don't trade at all. It's okay not to trade. It's okay not to take a trade. Because this will be the result. You end up with a loss, and if it's not worth it, the trade is not there. Just don't force it. Don't force the trade, and that's what happened to me. I forced this trade on Friday and ended up with a $51 loss. Nice little pullback on the account, but we're gonna hopefully next week or Monday, be better, so we could move forward from that. But four trades last week. Four trades, one red, three green. Uh, only up in profit like 170 on the week. It's I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's not what I was looking for, but I'll take it. No rush here. No rush. We're gonna get the account going, and we're gonna take what the market gives us, and we're just gonna move forward from there. So, like I said, hopefully next week will be better, and that's it. And again, just no boredom trade, guys. No, if the trade is not there, just walk. You got to know when to walk away here. Especially if you're a long bias trader where and there's no volume. Just tomorrow is another day. You save your bullets and you learn. You live to fight. You live to take on the market another day. Save your one bullet. Just save your bullets. So that's about it, guys. I think I cover everything here. Like I said, you see the account right here. Still at 1371. I started out at 1170, I believe, and I got it up to 1371 minus this $51 here, and we're just gonna try to push over this 2500. That's the first goal. That's the first milestone, is to get to the 2500 mark. And once we get there, this thing here will be a lot easier, way easier, way easier. So let's try and get there. Let's try and get there. Hopefully next week sometime. So that's about it, guys. Have a good one. That's it. Hope this video helps.